Hi friends, I'm Adnan Abdullah. Welcome to Techie Master. Today we are going to unbox Maona's mic and we'll do the unboxing and review too. So the box of Maona's lavalier microphone. So there's some key features here. Smartphone, you can connect it to the smartphone, camera and presentation, interview and computer too. And here is the features. So let's open the box. So they also gave a pouch, really good quality, not bad. These are the things that we get in the box: the clip, the mic, and some kind of adapter, and the carrying case, thank you card, and instruction card which shows how to use the mic. You can see. So let's put it on a sound test now. I have connected this mic to my phone. The voice you are hearing is recorded by this mic, and the quality is really good according to the price. I bought this from Amazon, and the price of this mic is 300 rupees. Quality is really good. I really like this mic. And if you have not liked and shared my video, please like and share my video. So stay home, stay safe. Up to the next video. Peace.